Hey there, Justin from Blaze. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the cross-posting feature built into many of the social media wizards. This will allow you to take the content that you're generating for one social media platform and expand it to generate content from many platforms at the same time. For this video, we're going to assume that you're familiar with the process of generating social media content using Blaze wizards already. If you aren't, you might want to consider watching one of the many other wizard-focused videos first, then come back to this one. Let's get started by creating a Facebook post using the Facebook text post wizard. And like all Blaze wizards, it starts with our text prompt, right? The more information you provide here, the better your results are going to be. I'm going to put in some information about the new roast on offer at Urban Roasters. Once you have the information filled in for your wizard, click Have Blaze autofill the rest. Now just review and tweak the options like you typically would. Name and project looks good for me. I'm going to go ahead and keep emojis on. Let me tweak the keywords a bit here. For post length, I'm going to make my post a little bit longer. You tweak the wizard in a way that makes sense for you. Let me set up my brand voice and my source materials. Okay. Now you're at the point in the wizard where you have the ability to tell Blaze to cross-post the content to other platforms as well. I'm going to select Instagram and LinkedIn for this example. You select what makes sense for you. When you're ready to proceed, click Select Images. Now select the images that you want to include, or use the Blaze image workflow to manually locate, upload, or generate something. Then, when you click Generate Post, things will happen differently than they would in a typical wizard. Notice now that instead of jumping into Blaze documents to edit and schedule the post directly, Blaze has taken us into the project view that the posts are being created inside of, with an indicator letting us know how many posts it's created. If you don't see your posts in your project, don't panic, they're there. Switch over to the table view if you aren't already on it. Click the ellipses for the project to bring down the options and make sure that you have all of the filters turned off. Then select Properties and add the Created column. Now click the ellipses in the Created column and switch it to Sort Descending. If all of that sounded a little foreign or confusing, don't worry. All we did was add a column that will sort all of the content in our project by the date it was created, meaning the newest content shows up at the top. Notice our posts are right there. They share the same name, but the icons next to their name will let you know what platform the post is associated with. From here, you would do what you would typically do with any other post inside of Blaze. Click on it, jump into Blaze documents, and make any adjustments or edits that you need to. Then schedule it out. Just go back to the project view and repeat the process for each of the posts. Now you know how to take the content you're creating with Blaze and spread that effort over multiple platforms at the same time. A great way to save even more time with Blaze. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on our next one.